This video is not a review about the camera. Instead, I'll be sharing my experience of using the Insta360 X5 camera. Kamusta na mga ka-addict? Taking and saving videos of your amazing rides is always a great thing to do. You will be able to watch and rewatch your awesome riding moments and also share them to your families and friends by sending or uploading your videos on the web, such as YouTube. This is the Insta360 X5. Just simply mount the Insta360 X5 on your electric scooter or e-bike and it will capture all, whatever is there in your surroundings. You can also mount the Insta360 X5 on your helmet with the use of the sticky mount. You will also need this type of adapters that have prong legs. In post-production, you can do all the adjustments you need with the use of the Insta360 application. Reframing, viewing angle, zoom in, zoom out, tiny planet effect, and many more. With the use of the Insta360 action camera, you will be able to capture impossible shots by yourself. Who doesn't know the third-person perspective effect, as if someone is filming you while riding on your electric scooter? If you love riding at night, then Insta360 X5 is perfect for you. Insta360 X5 offers pure video mode, which is an AI-powered feature, significantly improving low-light video quality by reducing noise and enhancing image sharpness. Shooting video in 8K using the Insta360 X5 is absolutely a great choice. Gives you flexibility in post-production. Especially in cropping, you get a high-quality flat video with resolution comparable to 4K without significant loss of details. Just in case you want to track your speed, Insta360 X5 can add a GPS overlay, but it requires an additional accessory, such as Insta360 GPS remote. But if you don't want to spend some money, you can also use the Insta360 application in your smartphone. In post-production, using the Insta360 Studio application in your computer, click on Stats to open the data overlay panel. It's where you can choose which style template you prefer. BMW Motorrad, Energy, Classic, Rhythm, and many more options. Also, you can choose which data switch you want to use. Acceleration, tilt angle, speed, brute, and there's so much more. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support my channel by liking, commenting, and sharing all my videos. At syempre, maraming salamat. Muli kayong naligaw sa channel ko. Ride safe lang palagi, mga ka-addict.